Today we shall demonstrate application of Shagun Soft-Apps Code S1, which is useful for land surveys. Engineers have predicted acute water crisis in the country in 2025. As precautionary measure, a proposal to construct a seawater lake in Chhattisgarh state to overcome future shortage of drinking water and maintain water table in all seasons, is receiving focus of Minister of Water Resources and Power Development. In this context, preliminary survey work plan is required for pipeline layout from nearest seashore to pump seawater to site selected for lake formation. In order to select best route corridor for pipeline layout, following engineering surveys are carried out. Asterisk reconnaissance surveys through Google Maps. Asterisk preliminary surveys. Asterisk detailed location surveys. Seawater is to be lifted from the nearest seacoast and pumped against gravity to the site selected for lake formation. Therefore, Interstate Seawater Board are formed to seek permission from other state office for following. Asterisk to construct civil structure of pumping station in the sea. Asterisk acquire land for lake construction. Asterisk acquire land and permission for pipeline layout with the two states. Survey methodology. 1. Place traverse stations along the proposed route of pipeline traverse. 2. Establish basic horizontal and vertical controls. Place traverse stations along the proposed route of pipeline traverse. 3. Control traverse between traverse stations for horizontal coordinates. 4. Sprit level vertical control, if necessary. Draw paper location for minimum gradient and curvature, earthwork for suitable cross-section. On computer screen, surveying instruments used for pipeline route survey and layout work are shown. These instruments are costly and can be used by trained staff only. All these instruments are no more in use in 21st century survey methods, due to introduction of laser meter used with Shagun Soft-Apps S3. The new technique has revolutionized the field survey job by reducing the need of costly instruments and trained staff. The work is now done even by non-technical staff. More than 30,000 graduates and undergraduates will be recruited for the training work. The training is only for 15 days. After that, the survey teams will be put on pipeline route layout field jobs of the project. The training will be arranged at design office in Bhilai. Google Reconnaissance Surveys shows proposal of 2 routes to pump seawater into the lake. 1. Vishakhapatnam, AP, to Bastar Seawater Lake is 200 km. 2. Puri in Orissa, to Bastar Seawater Lake is 422 km. 3. Interstate Seawater Board formed to process the permission formalities to draw seawater for lake construction in any state. Proposal 1 is economical, therefore, MOU between AP and CG government is to be executed to draw seawater. 4. Bastar Lake will be at 570 m above MSL. Therefore, required rising gradient from Vishakhapatnam seacoast to Bastar Lake will be 1 in 4,000. 5. Figure shows rising gradient and sloping down gradient Vishakhapatnam to Raipur route pipeline. Seawater will be pumped up to Bastar Lake and afterwards it can be gravity flow pipeline up to the brine ponds. It is a challenging task for the engineers to lift seawater from MSL to lake at highest altitude, but successful execution of the project will make people of Chhattisgarh happy with several jobs. Dear viewers, proposed seawater lake construction project is capable of creating millions of jobs for the people of Chhattisgarh. Therefore, several likes have been received for the proposal. Chhattisgarh state will be the role model for the project and soon other states will follow. Through education reform videos we bring awareness among educationists so that new job avenues may be opened. Research scholars should come forward to explore new areas of applications of all Shagun Soft Apps to serve the society in best possible way. GMAT Foundation is the first training center in the country where 10th pass students are trained to make their career in short term, 3 months. The candidates are given ITI certificate. Various ITI trades are: 1. Math lab classes for students of any school. 2. Math lab tutor, land surveyor, land valuer, DO mechanics, GMath soft app user, education reform video making, CAD support soft app user, setting cricket academy, product market survey etc. All above training program are part-time, therefore school students after passing 10th class may join and get certificates in 5 to 6 trades while completing 12th class. The trained students can get employment in engineering organizations and later on they can improve their qualification while doing jobs and build bright career. Coaching institutes and schools are struggling for their survival due to financial crisis in corona epidemic period. They can take the franchise of Shagun Soft-Apps and run short-term training courses. Thank you.